Hey, what's really good, nation? Welcome back to another video. You already see and you already know it is Nail Addict. They gave me their summer collection. I'm super grateful for it. So here's me taking all the colors out of the beautiful box that they got it in, and the paper. I don't know where they get this paper from. I hope they're not making it one by one, but anyway, that right there is my logo mat. Ask me about it. All right, first color is Toucan Sun. It's kind of a rusty orangey brown undertone color, and it's typicals, the vegan free, well, the vegan cruelty free, and they're all 15 milliliter bottles, and they have the ingredients on the back, which I love, and then they have their little identifiers on the side: vegan, cruelty free, and I forgot what the other one was. Anyway, so that's that color. All right, next up we have Cherry Soda. That one is kind of transparent, a little bit, not really. It's also 15 milliliters as well, but yeah, you know. All right, next color is Bora Bora. Ooh, that's my next trip, and that one is like a pretty turquoise blue. Next color is Quartz Rose, and that's a pale pink, like a baby pink, if you will. Super pale, super pretty. Next color is, what color is this? I'm gonna have to get back with y'all on that one because I don't know. This one is Splash, and it's also another pretty blue. It's more on the paler side, so that's what it looks like on the inside. And as you can see, it's not thick at all, which I love. I cannot stand a thick gel polish, because if I'm gonna work with it, I need for it to be workable. So that's me showing Bora Bora. And showing Toucan Sun. It's spelled Tuscan, but it's Toucan. If I said that wrong, let me know in the comments if I said it wrong. And there's that pretty glitter color. Look at that fucking sparkle. Lord Jesus. I'm gonna have it in the description box what the name of it is. That's me showing Quartz Rose, that baby pink that I was telling you about. It's really pale. It's really pretty. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. There's Cherry Soda. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. I'm gonna just let y'all see how it works, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Oh yeah, and the name of the glitter is called Diamonds for Breakfast, and that's that pink glitter. So just to let y'all know, it's called Diamonds for Glitter. Alright y'all, so y'all see me getting ready to do diamonds for breakfast over a white base, and the reason why I'm doing it over a base is because it's not really good by itself. It will probably be good over, you know, a background for stones, like a background color, but by itself it's not. And then here you see it has those green undertones, so it's pink with green undertones. Y'all, final thoughts. My final thoughts is always going to be the same thoughts. I love this company. I love their colors. They're not thick. The nails weren't perfect. It was just for demonstration, but there you actually see the colors on the nails with a top coat, and it's super shiny, super pretty. So let me know if y'all buying this down in the comments. I'm out.